USDT versus USDC, which stablecoin works best for you? I'm gonna break this down in terms of trust and transparency so that you can figure very simply which stablecoin works best for you. Let's dive in. USDT and USDC are stablecoins. Think of them as a digital version of the dollar. Unlike other digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, whose value can jump and crash every now and then, these are specifically designed to hold a value of $1. Pretty handy, right? Because then you can use that to buy other digital coins and keep the value steady in a volatile crypto world. Even though they're both worth $1, they're not the same. Let's find out how. Number 1. Trustworthiness. USDC is like the friend that you can trust and is always honest with you. It's transparent, it's regulated, it's onshore, whereas USDT is a friend who can be sometimes a little shady. There's all that drama and you don't really know whether he's always telling you the truth. We have had controversies about USDT and people talking about how they don't always have the dollar in the bank for every USDT that's in circulation. So where can you use them? Well, USDT definitely has more trading pairs is available on more exchanges, whereas USDC is not available as much. USDT definitely has more liquidity, whereas USDC can struggle sometimes in that area. Number 3, what are they best for? Well, USDT is really good if you're quickly swapping between digital currencies, and USDC is better if you're parking your money somewhere and are hoping to put your dollars in a jar that won't get lost. So, which one should you choose? Well, if you're looking for liquidity to get in and out of trades, you should definitely look at USDT. But if you're looking for somewhere where you want to park your money, or if you're an institutional investor that is using other people's money to invest, USDC does seem like a less riskier option. Both are really good, both have its own pros and cons. There are just these different nuances with each coin. So let's do a quick recap. USDC for safety, transparency, and keeping the value steady, and USDT for speed, liquidity, even though it's a little riskier. Got it? Are you still scratching your head? Well, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll try to answer your questions and make this topic as simple to understand. Like this video and subscribe for more.